Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what does annual and perennial weeds mean? When you hear a weed described as annual or perennial, it's describing the weed's life cycle. Along with proper identification, knowing the life cycle of the weed will help you get efficient control. The weed's life cycle basically means its seasonal growth pattern. So an annual weed is a weed that will grow annually or year to year. This is a weed that will go from seed to seed within one growing season or 1 year. A good example of this is Crabgrass. This is a summer annual whose seeds will germinate in spring and grow throughout summer. They will mature and go to seed in late summer or fall and then die out in the winter. The new seed will lie dormant until next spring. A perennial weed is a lot like an insurance salesman that won't take a hint. They keep coming back year after year, especially when you don't want them to. A common perennial is a dandelion. This is a weed type that once established in your lawn will not go away unless it's uprooted or killed. It will grow in a lawn over the course of a growing season. Once winter rolls around, the top of the weed will die off, but the roots will survive and lay dormant underground. Once temperatures rise in spring, the dandelion will emerge once again. So next time you're treating your lawn for weeds, consider what time of year it is to help you identify and control those weeds. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Once temperatures rise in spring, the dandelion will emerge once again. Emerge once again, so sturdy and foolhardy.